Your model looks great, but can you tell how much it weighs? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years, and one of the big things that comes up is the difference between materials and textures. When should you use a texture and when should you use a material? Most users treat Vectorworks a bit like paint by numbers, applying a texture, like a brick texture, just so that it looks right. But a texture is just a skin. It has no density, has no carbon footprint, it has no structural data. The solution is to use a material. In the masterclass in our community, we looked at the differences between materials and textures. When we should use a material, when should you use a texture? What's the difference between these two? A material has genuine physical properties. A texture is like the tiles you can see on the screen at the moment. They look great, but the texture is really just light shining on an image. Now, if this was a material, the material would be different. The material would have density. It would have weight. We could calculate how much that weighed. Now, this is a wall, and you can always select these walls, and you can always change the texture just by clicking here. But you can also revert this back to my material, and now this material has genuine physical properties. I've already created a list of all those properties, and here it is here. I can recalculate it, and you can see that I've got the material, I've got the wall, I've got where the material is, what it's made of, what area it's got, what volume it's got, what the density of that is, and how much it weighs. So I actually know, by adding up all of these materials, how much weight I need, how much truck do I need to make this project. Now, if you're doing landscape, this is even more important, because you can then start to look at panels, you can look at paving, you can then calculate how much weight have I got with my paving. Can I manage on a trailer, or do I need a massive truck? This is really important information, and Vectorworks gives this to you if you use materials. Now, if you want to see our discussion in our masterclass, I'll put the link in the description. Click on the link, join my community, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.